afternoon, everyone. Thank you for joining today's presentation on DIY water turbines. Today, we'll explore how simple and accessible it is to build your own water turbine to generate clean and renewable energy from flowing water. You guys are probably thinking, what's a DIY water turbine? A DIY water turbine is a homemade device that utilizes the kinetic energy of flowing water to produce mechanical or electrical energy. It's an affordable and eco-friendly way to harness the power of water for various applications. Next, the reason for us to build DIY water turbine is because building a DIY water turbine offers several advantages, such as provide a hands-on learning experience about renewable energy and engineering principles, and enable individuals to generate their own electricity, especially in remote or off-grid locations. And we can promote electricity, for example, orang asli settlements, rural villages in Sabah and Sarawak, offshore island in Malaysia, remote highland areas.
Rural villages, the energy poverty and lack of electricity in rural areas exacerbate the poverty of the developing countries. In Malaysia, 3.8% of the population lives below poverty line, and most of them are settled in rural areas. The electricity coverage in both states is about 79% in comparison with 99.62% in peninsular Malaysia. The renewable energy sources can be considered the best alternative to reduce the energy poverty in rural areas where the grid extends through difficult terrain and thick jungles is not possible or economic. A comparative study of rural electrification policies in order to have community approval, appropriate siting and financial benefits for the rural community, while considering three categories of social, institutional and economic issues, is also examined. Finally, the Malaysian policies of rural electrification by applying renewable sources are explained. It is found that Malaysia, with a maximum solar radiation of about 6.027 kilowatt per meter per day.
The use of DIY water turbines are excellent educational tools for teaching students about renewable energy, hydroelectricity and engineering concepts. They provide hands-on learning experience that can inspire curiosity and creativity. In remote or off-grid locations where access to electricity is limited, DIY water turbines can be used to generate power for lighting, charging electronic device, or running small appliances. They offer a sustainable alternative to traditional fossil fuel generators. In rural areas without access to centralized power grids, DIY water turbines can provide a decentralized and renewable energy source. They can help improve the quality of life by enabling access to electricity of lighting, communication, and other essential needs. DIY water turbines can be used to power sensor or data collection device in environmental monitoring projects. For example, they can measure water flow rates, monitor water quality, or track wildlife activity in remote locations. DIY water turbines can serve as backup power source during emergencies or natural disasters when traditional electricity supplies are disturbed. They provide a reliable and sustainable energy solution for critical needs such as lighting, communication, and medical equipment.
Collection of water turbines are used in various applications, including large-scale hydropower plants, micro-hydro systems for rural electrification, pump storage, hydroelectricity, and water supply and irrigation projects. In conclusion, water turbines are essential components of hydropower systems, offering a reliable and sustainable source of electricity. As we continue to prioritize renewable energy sources, The role of water turbines in our energy mix will only grow in significance. Thank you for your attention. I'm happy to answer any question you may have. Thank you.